For 17 through 20, it's basically the reverse direction of our previous problems. So we're given an equation in exponential form, and we're asked to write it in the equivalent logarithmic form. So we're transforming it back. So 6 squared is equal to 36. The equivalent logarithmic form would be log base 6 of 36 is equal to 2. For number 18, the equivalent log form would be log base 5 of 1 over 25 is equal to negative 2. For 19, this will be log base 10 of 10,000 is equal to 4. And then you actually don't need to write the base 10 because it's implied. So this will be log of 10,000 is equal to 4. And then lastly 20, if I transform it, this will be log base e of 0.5 is equal to x plus 1. And just like on number 19 where you don't need to write the 10, here you do not need to write the e. You can rewrite it as ln of 0.5 is equal to x plus 1. So those will be our answers.